I love my monopod. It should be in every filmmaker's toolkit. I did an in-depth video how you can create not only stable shots, but cinematic movement. You can check it out if you want. And in this video I also showed how to use your monopod for push in and push out slider shots. But the problem is you can not do parallax shots with a monopod. This is why I also love my sliders. I like to use my sliders to create subtle sideways movement to make my images more cinematic. So why not combine the best of both worlds? This could be either a stroke of genius or a very dumb idea. I put my 30 cm slider onto my Manfrotto Monopod. This way I can move much faster and lighter than with my regular tripod that I normally would use with my sliders. I think it would be best to test this technique with my GH2 and the Pergear 25mm f1.8, since neither the camera nor the lens are image stabilized. After some testing I found out I had to lock the feet at the bottom of the monopod to make it stable, and I also have to hold the monopod all the time to reduce the sideways movement, so I lose one hand that I would normally use to pull focus. I have to say this technique is a little bit of a mixed bag. Of course one leg is not as sturdy as 3 legs, but I was so much faster when working with the monopod. I think I got at least 2 times as much shots than I would normally get with a tripod and a slider. Also, the shots are a little bit jittery, but it's not as severe as it would be when I would shoot handheld. I think with a stabilized lens you can get away with it without the need of post-stabilization. I was quite impressed. So what's my conclusion of this experiment? Well, it is what it is. Of course, one leg is not as sturdy as 3 legs of a tripod. But I was very impressed because I only needed to apply a little bit of post-stabilization and it resulted in very slick shots. When you apply the same post-image stabilization, the shots aren't as stabilized as they are now with the slider on the monopod. When I'm shooting corporate videos, I don't mind setting up a tripod because I have much more time and I have more space. But when I'm at an event or wedding, I need a small footprint and a fast workaround, and I was so much faster with this technique over using a tripod. So in this regard, I can see myself using this in the real world. But what do you think? Am I completely bonkers to think that this could actually work on an event or wedding shoot? Or is this a great middle ground for people that need to work fast and small? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up and a subscription. I hope you have a nice day and create something extraordinary.